And see the next one. Internal links. The last one is hyperlinks. We discussed last two examples. Like as hyperlinks, we have the one more type of links also, those called as the internal links. Anchor tag is still anchor tag. So, but the concept is internal links. What is this internal link, sir? But when you click on any of the hyperlink, we are moving to the next page. Previous two examples, it happens. But always we are not moving to the next page. We are moving within the same page from one line to another line. Within the same page, moving from one line to another line. That is called as the internal links. Suppose this is one web page. Here I have some hyperlinks. When I click on one hyperlink, sir, we are moving to that place, girl's place. Or we are clicking on another link, sir, we are moving to the end of the page. Or we are clicking another link, sir, we are moving to the middle of the page. Now, within the same page, which line you want to jump, that is possible. If you have any MS Word knowledge, bookmarks and one concept available. Any idea? Microsoft MS Office, MS Word document. While preparing of the documents, bookmarks we can create it, especially project report. Project report means not 3 lines, 4 lines. It's a 150 pages or 200 pages. But a 150 pages, so ER diagrams where it is available. What you are doing? Generally searching. Scroll. When you are scrolling somewhere, the ER diagrams are found. In that 150 pages, system specifications also available. One page. Where is the system specification information? In that 150 pages document only. Where it is exactly? Again, scrolling. Where somewhere it is found. Instead of this, a main headings available in your 150 pages documentation. For that main pages, we can create the bookmarks. In future, you want to move the particular chapter or particular topic. This bookmark, within second, we can jump to that line. Just a small 1 second of work. A bookmarks not available, sir. 10 minutes it takes no idea, 20 minutes it takes no idea, or sometimes we are unable to identify that one also. Chance available. Information available 150 pages. Sometimes when you are scrolling, sir, unable to identify. But tomorrow when you are searching, it is found. The human being's nature generally. What are the component you are searching? Sometimes in front of your eyes available also, it is not going to identifying. Best example, boys, not girls, boys. So before coming to the session or before going to the college, they are getting ready, right? Hurry. 9 o'clock college, 8:50 they are going to wake up generally. Maximum boys, that only they are doing. 15 minutes before or 20 minutes before wake up, fast brushing, fresh up also no guarantee. So there's something dress available in the wearing. In this Ariori, where is the bike keys? A shelf or table or in the dressing table or somewhere it is available. You are normally seeing, not visible. Mummy, bike keys. Your mummy in kitchen. She is also replying. Somewhere available, check it. What is your reply generally? I searched mommy, but it's not found. Second time. In the third time, your mummy is came. From where it is taking the bike keys? in front of you only. మీ ముందే ఉంటాయి. ఇది generally human beings nature, sir. Why that time brain not functioning, sir? Ante we have some pressure on this one, some tension. Getting late, we want to go early, something. In that time, it's not going to functioning properly. That's a common thing. Boys, I think, mostly face this problem. Mummy, where is bike keys? Mummy, where is comb? Comb available there only, but it's not visible to your eyes. They're not asking this because everything available in their handbag only. So internal links purpose that one, sir. Within the same page, if you want to move from one line to another line, these internal links are going to helping. Hyperlink, but not other pages. My same page only, self page only. Example, sir, we have never seen these type of things, sir. Best example, Wikipedia, sir. Wikipedia. Wikipedia, we have a lot of links. When you click on any of the, never moving to the next page. Observed? Huh? Not observed. Busy with the games, కదా. Candy Crush. Try to open one of the page in Wikipedia. Suppose Hyderabad Wikipedia is I am going to opening. This is Hyderabad Wikipedia page. We have a lot of things here. What is all these things, sir? Content correct, but before that all hyperlinks are blue color, underline and hand symbol. Hyperlinks are not, but lot of hyperlinks available. Why this number of, sir? And a topic wise. Our original subjects are our topics list. If it is English or physics or mathematics or C language or Java, those are the topics list. The Hyderabad got some Hyderabad related. History of the Hyderabad, geography of the Hyderabad, administration of Hyderabad. If I click the geography, sir, geography page opens, sir. Not opens. Get down. What is this? From that line to you are jumping to this line. See that one. Click on geography. What happened? Same page we came. Two different programs, a single program. Response not good. Two different programs are same program. Two pages are one page. Within one page, we are moving from one line to another line. This called as internal links. Internally only moving. So I want to design these things now. How to design these things, sir? One special procedure available, sir. Of course, anchor tags required plus special procedure available. First, I'll prepare the same content, sir, but not that much of content. With a sample 2-3 headings I am taking. All headings and next month also it will come, sir. History, geography, administration. These three main headings I am taking. So this is content heading and this is hyperlink href. Address what we have to write, I'll decide few minutes after. First content preparing. History, anchor tag is close, BR. So 3 links are ready. Now if I click on history, I want to move to the history heading. If I click on the geography, I have to move to geography heading. Where is the heading, sir? Bottom it will comes. I'm using one new tag, sir. First time I'm using new tag. Simple tag, HR. We know already BR tag. Like that, BR, like that, HR. What is this HR, sir? Horizontal row. HR full form is horizontal row. Simple tag, horizontal row. What is the use of this tag, sir? It draws a line, sir. It draws a line. Basically, drawing a line horizontally. If you are not interested, you can change into vertically also. Attributes are available. By default, it drawing always horizontal. Then only tag name also HR, horizontal row, a line drawing. What is the nature of this line, sir? Unpaired tag, syntax, sir, just HR or HR. We already knows this one, sir, syntaxes. Unpaired tag we can use like this or we can use like this. Why you are using HR suddenly here, sir? Nothing else, sir. I want to separate the content headings list and data. I want to separate the headings list and data. Maybe in Wikipedia also sometimes they are using that line, sir. You can observe the line horizontally. That is HR tag. If it comes down, multiple lines available like that. Geography bottom, what we have? HR, horizontal line, a gray color line. Same line our program also designing. Check it once. So line observed. Now, how many lines you require? Just repeat the HR tag that number of times. A divider, simple. A line is nothing but a divider. So links ready. Next, we have to prepare the content. So content ourselves typing not possible. We'll copy from the Wikipedia only. It's just a copy pasted data, sir. A very big program is coming and don't get the tension. It's just a content copy pasted. But what is this? H1, H2, label, span, paragraph? Sure. And this is one more paragraph. So content ready like this. We'll just place a small picture also. This picture I'm going to placing. Save image. HYD1.jpg. And this also. Two paragraphs after I'm placing the two images. IMG SRC equals to images slash hy1 dot jpg and second image also 2 dot jpg. The image is not uniform format, sir. So try to adjust it. Width 45 percentage. My browser width, how much available in that 45 percentage. The second is also 45 percentage. And both are displaying side by side. So 45, 45 or 10% gap it will comes. And what about the heights, sir? Height equals to 200 pixels I'm taking. Both uniform size. And check it, you'll get like this. Both sharing the screen, nothing else. The history operations, sir. Similarly, copy the second one. What is second one? Geography. The geography scenario also, I'm displaying one small image. Paragraph plus image, nothing else. And what is this picture size, sir? Width to 90% I'm taking and almost to full screen it will comes. Height to 200 pixels as is. First a small picture displaying weather picture, then the explanations are comes about that one. Second heading. And after this one again, one HR. Next the third heading, administration. Next one paragraph. So copy a small text. And here also try to display on small picture. Between the two paragraphs, I'm going to displaying the picture. So width as is 90% of the width. Height 200 pixels and close this. So designing is done. Up to now, I'm not used any something specially, sir. What we know previously, the tags only I use it just. Every tag, every concept we know already. Once check the program top to bottom. This is your regular part of the code. And this is current topic, 3 hyperlinks design with the 3 hypertext. URL not mapped, wait a few minutes. After that, first time I used the horizontal row, a small line is drawing. Then heading history, main heading, subheadings H3. H2 main heading and H3 is the subheading. Subheadings explanations available. Explanations related some small pictures I designed here. One type of implementation example, this one. What we learned in the last 3 days. Data. There is no coding. Just text data. Line I designed. A picture related explanations. And again line. Next, administration, heading. Some small text. Between the text, I displayed the image. Paragraphs, headings, image. Paragraphs, headings, image. These are the mostly used. Current topic, anchor tag. So this is the final output. But what is my requirement, sir? If I click on history, I want to jump to this line. And if I click on the geography, sir, I want to jump to this geography line. If I click on administration, sir, I want to jump to this line. So how to move to that line, sir? For that, we have a special attribute. ID attribute is required, sir. It's not tag attribute. We know so many attributes. Last few days we discussed. ID is also one of the attribute. First time I'm using. Attribute, but first time I'm using. So what is this ID, sir? Unique identification names for the tags. ID, unique identification. Unique in the sense, non-repetition. Manaki product ID, employee ID, customer IDs are available. Like that, tag IDs are available here. Why, sir? Very simple reason, sir. H1 tag, something data, H1 close. Generally in our web pages, H1 tag only one time we are using. H1 tag only one time we are using? No. If you are using one time only, sir, H1 tag, ID attribute we doesn't required. 100% no need. Every tag you are using only once in the program, ID attribute no use. But it's not possible to use only once. Couple of times I'm going to using like this. But now I want to write some coding on this H1 tag, sir. I want to write some coding part on this H1 tag. Which coding, sir? JavaScript coding or these type of special links concept. But current topic, internal links also. I want to implement the JavaScript. What is the JavaScript, sir? Change the color of H1 tag. So this is situation and this is the code I implemented. But now the doubt, JavaScript, which H1 color changing, sir? All H1s. Sure, huh? If all H1s changing, it's a wrong. Reason, sir? I don't want to change all H1. One H1 color I want to change. What is my tag name? H1. I given H1 here. But browser misunderstanding this one. I designed the code with the proper approach only, but browser misunderstanding. Because 4 H1s available. Shivkumar, on which H1 you want to apply? Again, I am saying H1 only apply. Browser again asking, Shivkumar, which H1? H1, my answer. Finally, browser frustrated, applying on all H1s, one choice. Otherwise, not applying on any H1, second choice. ఇప్పుడు 4 ఇక్కడ సపోజ్ n నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ అవైలబుల్ సార్. వన్ స్టూడెంట్ నేమ్ రమేష్, సింగిల్ స్టూడెంట్ రమేష్. ఇప్పుడు I asked Ramesh, what is this answer? He is trying to respond. Answer no sir, not for seeing my face. Next is Suresh I asked. But Suresh is 4 available. 4 students name Suresh only. Hey Suresh, what is this answer? Which is Suresh responding? Maybe all responding or nobody is responding. If everybody is feeling sir asked me only, everybody responding. Answer no idea na. Sir not me asked other student. But nobody is going to responding. And the third scenario also available. 2 responding, 2 not responding. 1 responding, 3 not responding. 3 responding, 1 not responding. Combinations, amma. Permutations and combinations concept. Number of answers. So what is the problem here? Ambiguity is the problem. With the same name, we'll found the multiple students. Then only in our colleges, the roll number system introduced. That's the reason. Why that roll numbers are in our names having problem? Your names doesn't have any problem. Roll numbers doesn't required. Simple thing. So students' names repetition confirm. Sometimes the surnames also repetition, sir. Not only name, surname is also repeating. The ambiguity problems elimination unique numbering system. That unique numbering is called as roll number. Your point of view. Companies, employee ID. Banks, customer ID. Shopping, product ID. Bookshop, book ID. Available always. So now the same problems are not only JavaScript, anchor tag also. I'm asking anchor tag, move to H1. I'm asking the anchor tag, move to H1. But anchor tag moving to which H1? No clarity again. Because 4 H1s available. Then what to do, sir? I'll add some unique numbering to this system. That unique numbering is ID attribute. So right here, head 1. Take the one more. Right here, head 2. And right here, head 3. And right here, head 4. So first H1 tag ID what, sir? Head 1. Second H1 tag ID, head 2. Sir, you are saying ID, sir, but alphabets also you are using, sir. Yes, sir. ID's alphabets doesn't contain, sir. Compulsory. Your roll number a best example. Or 10-digit roll number available. In the 2 alphabets also available, I think. IT, CSE, EC. Your branch representation. Now change it, huh? My time I think that is only available, sir. First year number is comes. Next college code is comes. Next branch code in the shortcut 2 characters. Next my roll number is comes. My time system. My college time system. Currently, what is system running? I don't know that one. And whenever you share the roll number to anybody, that person is getting complete details about it. You belongs to which batch, to which year batch, which branch, which college, and every detail available in the roll number. No, no. But why are 10-digit to 12-digit lengthy roll numbers? What is the use? 1, 2, 3, 4 enough, kada? A 12-digit, 10-digit roll numbers, year number representation. You belongs to so-and-so batch. Which branch? A branch code is also available. Which college you studied? A college code is also available. And what is the position in your classroom? 30 or 25 or 30 or that is also available. So alphanumeric, it's a common point or IDs. Now here change the color of H1. Instead of that, I'm replacing, change the color of head 1. But now browser, any confusion? Huh? Now here also I'm asking anchor tag. Instead of move to H1, I'm asking move to head 1. Any confusion now? No. That is the ID's importance. Allotting the serial numbers, moreover the unique serial numbers for all our tags. And not only H1, sir. Paragraphs we can allot it, images we can allot it, next what, labels, spans, formatting tags. Every tag is accepted. Ikkada situation headings kabatti headings point of view I'm explaining. So ID is an attribute used to allot unique identification number for HTML tags. So use it to allot a unique identification number for HTML tags. The syntax is comes like this, sir. ID followed by allot your ID number. 1, 2, 3, 4 we can use, sir. A, B, C, D we can use. Your choice. Numbering how to forming, sir, and A1, A2, A3, A4, H1, H2, H3, or B1, B2, B3, A, B, C, D, I, J, K, X, Y, Z. I mean, programming languages, variables names you are setting as variables name, C language, Java, .NET. A same type of variable naming we can follow here. So for internal links, this ID compulsory. Otherwise, what I explained, the ambiguity, the same problem is comes. Where is our main headings, sir? Here. ID equals to H1 one option, or head1 one option, or HH1 one option, or AA1 one option, or internal link one option. Different possibilities. Or what is this heading? History. So you can write history clearly also. My data heading, so my ID is also history only. Easy identification. Same type of thing repeat for others also. H2 ID equals to geography. Can I go for the geo now, sir? No problem. Full name not interested, go for shortcut name. Next one, administration. ID equals to admin. So 3 H2's IDs are allotted successfully. Once again repeating, administration heading ID is admin, and geography heading ID is geo, and next history heading ID is history. So now back to hyperlink. But yesterday we designed some example 1.html something. In place of HTML program, write your IDs. Write your IDs with a hash. With a hash. Hash history. So now when I click on this link, it jumping to history ID tag. In our web page, if any tag ID is Historia, checking. Yes, one tag is found with ID of history. It jumping to that line. Next, hash followed by geo. Next, hash followed by admin. This is mapping code, sir. This is called as the mapping. So this hyperlink, I map it to this heading. Now check it, sir, once. So click on administration. What happened? We'll jump to administration. Administration line is becomes as the first line of your browser. Now back. Click on geography. Geography becomes as first line of your web page. Now back. Click on history. History becomes as first page. Now this is Wikipedia, original Wikipedia. Click on history. History becomes as first page. Back. Click on geography. Becomes first line. Back. Click on administration. Same, any difference? Content different, but approach is same. Working is also same. This is internal links concept, sir. Moving within the same page. But instead of this all the code, I'll show the shortcut and simplified code, sir. Just for your easy understandability. అక్కడ 3 tags we designed here, right? ఇక్కడ 3 headings also available. ఇక్కడ lot of data is there na. A data I'm removing 1 minute. Just I'm showing for your simplification purpose. This is your actual designing, sir. Here content available. A content I'm placing dots. Like a huge amount of content available, sir. Observation typical is available. This is simplified code. So when I click on this link, what happens, sir? I'm jumping to this ID. When I'm click on this link, sir, geography, what happens, sir? I'm jumping to this one. Color change. When I click on this one, sir, what happens? We are jumping to this one. Exactly that line only we have to jump or not. How browser knows, sir? Exactly that line only we have to jump or not. How browser knows? ID. ID attribute is the reason. Where is the ID, sir? Ikkada mapping done, you can see that. This is my ID and this one I map it to here. See this. Mapping is done. Every anchor tag is linked to one ID. Which ID you link it, that ID it is jumping. It is available in the 10th line, it is available in the 100th line, if it is available in 1 lakh line, whatever it may be. It's jumping to directly that line. Anchor tag related A to Z information I covered, sir. Calling of the programs I covered, calling of the files I covered, and within the same page linking also I covered. The only pending is changing the style of the anchor tag. And by default, anchor tag blue underline it will comes. I don't like, sir. I think the compulsory CSS required. After CSS knowledge, that will explain. Anchor tags appearance we can change. Not only anchor tags, are any HTML tag look we can change. We have to apply some markup. The markup is CSS. Now we are introducing CSS. We are going to introducing CSS now, sir. 1 hour CSS explanations is going on. After 1 hour, again we'll come back to HTML and HTML CSS both running like this. And we know already about HTML. We should gain the knowledge on the CSS. CSS basic also if we got it, sir. Then HTML CSS we can use parallelly like this. What is CSS? How to define the CSS? A small introduction I'm providing here. To practice, sir. In system you can practice, sir. So CSS full form cascading style sheets. All of you know that one. Cascading sheets. Full form. Version, sir. Version 3.0, sir. HTML version 5, sir. Yes, sir. HTML version 5, CSS version 3.0, JavaScript version 6. And it's subject to subject are changing. These are the three different web technologies developed by three different persons, released by three different companies, released in the three different dates also. But all are we are learning in the same subject, same course, sir. Yes, in BTech first year you learn 5 subjects. 5 subjects invented by the same scientist, huh? But why you learn in same all subjects in single semester? Maths invented by somebody, physics invented by somebody, environmental science invented by somebody, drawing invented by somebody. But all you completed in single semester. Kyun? Syllabus designed like that. That is the only reason. Have different subjects invented by the different persons, purposes different. So like that, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, three different subjects. Our management, our industry is combining all these three and set as a name front-end technologies. So who developed the CSS and who releases the CSS? CSS not developed by any person. There is no person name, sir. But who developed this one, sir? W3C directly designed this one. Released by W3C and maintained by W3C. I hope you know the W3C meaning. What is the responsibilities of W3C? Who is the founder of W3C? In demo sessions, we already discussed it at that point. So full form, anybody? World Wide Web. W3C, W3 schools, both same or different? Same hai kada? Huh? Same one. W3 schools, it's a just website. After all, website. But W3C is an organization, international community. After all, website, sir, is the community, sir. Both are not same. This point I already said in previous sessions also, but still you are feeling both are same. Huh? Man, concentration on the listening and what that much of our internet effect more on our brain. Okay, doubt available. Anybody, please watch the previous video, sir. Well, re-explanations are not possible. Videos available already in the Google Classroom link. Watch that video. Which videos are? Either first video or second video. You will find the information in the first or second videos. HTML developed by who? HTML language developed by who? Last row sounds not coming. Taking rest, huh? Huh? Taking rest, huh? Imagine once, 5 minutes or 10 minutes in this much of crowd, if you are only standing in the classroom, sir. See, no? Super gada, see, no? This much of crowd, 10 minutes, you only standing in the classroom. Super gada, see, no? You want to taste it, huh? Last rows, especially. You want to taste it, huh? Huh? Who is the inventor of HTML? Up to you, pillar silent, sir. Pillar backside only. You both just silent. When the HTML released? Released 1989. A last digit to show the fingers. 19 something you are saying now. Show the finger, last digit. 4. In all are 4 rising. 3 actually. 1993 actually. But we are rounded to 94. Original date 93 December. Which company releases HTML? Sun Microsystems, Google, Facebook? Which company releases HTML? Nobody. Directly coming Sky. So Tim Berners-Lee openly introduced this one. No company is there. HTML, CSS currently maintained by the W3C only. Right now also. Till to date. Company is not available. But other softwares, some so-and-so company available. But these two technologies, we don't have any company name. Well, again, JavaScript company available. Mozilla Corporation maintaining currently JavaScript. Firefox browser available? Which company releases Firefox? Mozilla. JavaScript maintained by the Mozilla. But HTML, CSS, open platform, no companies are there. Directly W3C monitoring those things. And what is the use of this CSS, sir? Simple sentence. Use it to change the look and feel of your web page. To change the look and feel of a web page. It is a simple sentence, sir. Everybody understanding easily. Programmatically, what happening exactly in the CSS, sir? Programmatically, we are not doing like this, sir. Programming meaning converted into our simple terminologies and we are saying as a this one. I want to know programmatical meaning, sir. Programmatical meaning in the sense CSS used to redefine HTML tags or elements. CSS used to redefine the HTML tags and elements. The actual sentence, sir. If I said this sentence, sir, lot of understanding problem. Because previously programming knowledge, no idea for everybody. So that's the first sentence easy. To change the look and feel and presentation look, we are changing, that's all. Our face appearance, we are changing. Our dressing style, we are changing. Our getup, we are going to changing. So web page related total makeup, we can change. Original programming, what happens, sir, to redefine the HTML tags. What is meaning of redefining, sir? Redefining at the first time, second? The first time happening, second time happening? Second time. Word we are using until the one more time it is performing. That is the meaning. Every HTML tag, we have definitions already or not? Every HTML tag meaning instructions already defined or not? Yes, in the library available. That definitions we are going to changing. The existing definitions given by the Tim Berners-Lee, we are changing as per our convenience. Then a simple word we are saying as a customization also. Why you are changing, sir? Very simple thing. The heading tag. So heading tag displaying in the black color. But I don't want black color, sir. Red required, sir. CSS is the option. Why browser displaying black color? Inbuilt. The already existing definition of the tag. H1 tag, you have to print the data in this size, in this color, left side. These are the internal instructions. These instructions, developer making changes as per the requirements. And that is called as this one. Tags definitions available. Definitions I'm going to redefine as per my requirement. Simple things, sir. Boys, you purchase some Royal Enfield bike. Classico, something. 350. Showroom person giving the bike in one status, right? Whenever the bike is handed over to our hand, what we are doing immediately? Our nearest accessory shop where it is available and we are searching. It is pakka. Because a bullet you purchase it, you first want to change the silencer. That only you purchase the bullet. A dug sound required for us. A company that sound not comes. Smooth sound is coming company. So whenever the bike hands to your hand, searching immediately the nearest accessories. Going to the accessories, first handle changing. Company handle we doesn't like. Next silencer changing. Next headlights, stickering. My dad's gift, my mom's gift, my somebody's gift, something. What is all these things, sir? Customization. And you can also say as a modifications. Existing bike designing, we are modifying as per our interest, as per our taste. Royal Enfield, FZ, KTM, whatever it may be. Somebody what the model coming as T structure they are using. And they are not interested. Reasons are so many. Somebody immediately changing, sir. So bike tag. Company manufacturing every tag with certain instructions, certain shape. This when it comes to your hand, immediately you are making some makeovers, redefining of the bike or redesigning of the bike. Seat changing, silencer changing, వీటిని ఏమంటారు కాళ్ళ దగ్గర వచ్చిన సేఫ్ గార్డ్స్ సేఫ్ రాడ్స్ ఏదో సంథింగ్ చేంజింగ్ హెడ్ లైట్స్ సిగ్నలింగ్ సిస్టము as per your this one everything changing except the engine rest of all are you are changing sir. So we are also doing the same thing only. Anchor tags comes with blue color and underline sir. I don't want blue color sir, change it by using CSS. I don't want that underline sir, change anything. So once again repeating the points sir, every HTML tag inside already instructions available how to print the data, where to print the data. So those are sometimes not useful for our designing. Then we want to make some changes in that instructions. For that we are using the CSS. These are all the points. Instead of remembering, we can go for simply this one also. This is programming explanation sir, this is normal explanation sir. Next, how to redefine and how to customize the existing HTML tag settings, sir. In 3 ways we can customize, sir. And a customization code, a redefinition code, where we can write in our program, sir. 3 places we can write the program. The 3 places, sir. So one is inline CSS, second one is internal CSS, third one is external CSS. The different ways to implement the CSS, inline, internal, external. What is all these things are? Different places, sir. The way is nothing but an in my total program where I can define the CSS. 3 places we can define the CSS. A places names say inline, internal, external. But we don't know what is meaning of inline, sir. We have to work it, sir. I just listed the points only. Ways any problem is available. So those students you can feel like as a different places to write the CSS code. Different places to write the CSS code. This anybody who have the problem, better follow this one. Okay, sir. First I'm starting with the inline. First model I'm starting with inline. Just a small example, sir. Still, if anybody, any problem is there, small funny example. Generally black thread one using, no gada? Black color thread. Some girds lockets or something using black color the thread one we are using. If you observe the persons, some persons are black color thread they are wearing in the neck. Some persons they are wearing here. Some persons they are wearing here. Leg, foot, bottom of the foot. Same purpose, same. But the different places. Why different places, sir? And the person interest as per their sentiments. So reasons available. And somebody they are not interested to show on the neck a black color thread, maybe glamour reducing or handsomeness reducing. So secretly maintaining here. Otherwise, the bottom of the leg, no problem. But if hand at malli, when you are doing the exercises, the shirt going to top is malli visible. The leg no chance to. But there is some controlling. Negative shades controlling. The black color thread we are using, stopping of the negative energies. Black color thread is always trying to stop the negative energy and taking as the only positive energy. And if you believe the God, not believing God is the waste concept. So 3 places we can wear. Either neck or here the shoulder and otherwise the bottom of the foot. These are what, sir? Places. Purpose same, but different places. Like that, is CSS also purpose same, but different places we can write. The first one I am going to showing inline CSS. What is meaning of inline CSS, sir? Inline in the sense within the same line. Inline is nothing but an within the same line. If you remove these words, balance comes inline. See that. Within the same line. What is within the same line, sir? Next sentence, I'll give the clarity. HTML tag and CSS properties. HTML tag and CSS properties both designed in the same line. Both designed in the same line. HTML tag, CSS properties, both are designed in the same line. That is called as within the same line, inline. Where the HTML tag available in the same line, CSS properties also comes. Color property, background property, height property, width property, something. HTML, CSS, both side by side comes in the same line. So that is the meaning of inline, sir. And what is the purpose of this inline, sir? And what is the use to define like that? One small reason is there, sir, to define personal styles. To define personal styles, also called as unique styles. Inline CSS used to define the personal style or unique style of a tag. What is the meaning of personal style, sir? That style we can apply only on the single tag. More than one tag we can't apply. If any style you define in CSS, that is applicable on the one tag only. More than one tag doesn't accept. Inline CSS not accepts, not overall CSS. I'm talking about current inline CSS. Every information related to inline CSS, not the overall CSS. But the same style not applied to other tag, it's not useful, sir. No, sir. That sometimes unique styles are required. Sometimes the common styles required. But we have here 150 plus students are available here. But 150 plus students, any two students matching a dressing style? More than 150 strength available here. In this 150 strength, any two students dressing style is matching. When any two students makeover is matching, but is it unique style or not? But how can say it's a waste? You can't say it's a waste. So 150 members, 150 variety styles available, including myself also. 151 person, suppose. 151 styles available. The purely personal style. We all are tags. Shivkumar tag, Manoj tag, Candy Crush tag, material tag. These are the tags names. So every tag, they have their own style. Sometimes this required. This is installed. And if you go for cricket ground, sir, official cricket ground, 22 persons available, 22 different styles, no chance. 11 persons one style, 11 persons one style. Not possible, 22 same style. Test match either 22 same style, white and white, white. And sometimes common styles available, sometimes personal styles available. We are talking about personal style. I need common styles, sir. For 15 minutes, you have to wait. And I just ordered in the Swiggy. So delivery time 15 minutes it will take. Once delivered, I'll share to you that one. You put a physical order with. So personal styles is not waste, sir. Compulsory required for us. And what about the syntax, sir? The tag names are daily we are using this tag last 5 days onwards. Something data is comes text something and tag closing. But where is the CSS, sir? Coming to that only. Tag name right side, your CSS concept it will comes. You have to implement like this. This is the way to write the inline CSS, and this part is CSS, sir. Double quotations to open to double quotations closing CSS. Just I'll change the color look. Now see that. The name of the tag, style equals to a pink color part is there. Na? The pink color part is your CSS. Property colon value semicolon. Property colon value semicolon. And every property value with the colon symbol we have to assign. But yesterday, last day before yesterday, used equal symbol, sir. The HTML syntax. It is CSS syntax. Because once again, I'm explaining that one. Yesterday, day before yesterday, we designed the width equals to this one. This is HTML. This is value. And both equal symbol. The same thing in CSS, if I want to write it, sir. This you have to write. Same component in HTML, how we are typing, in CSS, how we are typing, comparisons, sir. The first one, HTML way of typing. Second one is the CSS way of typing. Equal symbol, sir. Colon symbol. Here space comes. In HTML, every attribute after space required. But in CSS, every attribute after colon symbol required. If I use the space, sir, doesn't accept. Why is the rules changing? The two concepts developed two purposes, sir, not same purpose. So the syntactically changes are available. Moreover, it's easy to use, sir. If all are following the space, if anybody asking, showing one program, is it HTML or CSS? How you are recognizing? Both follows the same syntax by chance. Somebody showing one line of code and asking identify what is this. Possible? No. Syntactical differences available? We can easily identify that one. Syntactical differences not available, sir. Myself also not possible. Pakka. So our safety point of view only. Our convenience only. And what is this new terminology, property, sir? Yeah, nothing special, sir. Last 3 days onwards, we are calling attribute. Na? The same thing today onwards, we are calling property. Same item. Why changed pronunciation, sir? Today Wednesday, kada? That's why. Iroju Budwaram kada? That's why Wednesday. Simple thing, sir. Mana Candy Crush available here. Tomorrow morning, the person marriage. Tomorrow early hours marriage person. But up to today night, their apartment, their flat opposite to one more flat available. Suppose 101, 201. In 201, 2 kids available. 5 years kid to 7 years kid. 2 kids. Up to today night, the kids, what they are calling this person? Brother. Anna. Tomorrow morning onwards, what is pronunciation? Uncle. Or one night, the difference. Night before Anna, morning uncle. Difference? Marriage. And you promote it to next level. Same person. Caller same, called person also same. But way of terminology is going to changing. At a HTML level, attributes are the same attribute while comes to the CSS, it is promoted the level. A promoted level name is called as the property. So moral of the story, both are same only. Attribute nothing but a property nothing but an attribute. But when you are working in HTML, you should use the pronunciation attribute. When you are working in the CSS, you should use the pronunciation property. Same. Just different technologies covered different pronunciations and I'm not interested, sir. I want to use the same pronunciation, sir. Your interest, nobody objecting. Throughout the course, I want to use attribute only, sir. 100% accepted. Nobody objecting. And outers some interviews also like us our he is also once upon a time Amripet student only. So we don't have any problem, sir. Clarity required to follow the two different sounds. You want to call all are with the same name, just follow either attribute or property, your choice. So this is CSS, this is HTML, both are available in the same line, then it is called as the inline. But these styles, what we define here, these styles applying on all HTML tags, sir. What are the styles and I define here? These all are applying on every HTML tag? No. What are the tag name you mentioned here? That tag only impacted. Other tags 100% not affected. That is personal. Now see the example on this. So I'm taking one H1 tag, sir. First I'll prepare the data, then I'll apply the styles. So hypertext markup language. H1 clause. What is the original definition of the H1, sir? So black and white color. I'm focusing only colors currently because colors are very effective and easy to understand. So H1 original definition, black and white. You got it black and white. But I don't like black and white, sir. I take the support of CSS and apply the colors. Style. What is the meaning of this style, sir? I'm applying styles on H1 tag. Style meaning is I'm applying the styles on H1 tag. What are the styles? Right here, those. Color, background. We don't know list of properties, sir. Just now we started CSS. CSS inside we have hundreds of attributes come properties, not 1, 2, 3, 4. Compared to HTML, CSS attributes more. HTML hardly 50, 60 attributes available, sir. That's all. HTML oddly 50 to 60 available. But CSS are 200, 300 attributes are available, sir. More than 3 times, sir. Because major effective designing is coming from the CSS. Content only HTML preparing. Except the content, rest of all the things is CSS responsibility only. So I want to change the color of my H1 tag. So use the color attribute, color property. Color is one of the CSS property. Within double quotations, if I type anything, it's a blindly CSS property, sir. Syntax, I said the same thing only, sir. What you typed here, these all are CSS properties. Indication here, we have style also, see that. Style is the CSS property, sir. Is CSS full form, what is the second word? That only we are using here. And now color equals to, which color, sir? Red color I required. So what happening, sir? Your data color changing black to red. Your data color changing black to red. Which color you are expecting? Write the color name directly. No problem. Red, green, blue, yellow, black, magenta, pink, lemon yellow, sky blue, different colors available in our real life. Or write any of the color. Browser understanding your spelling, a proper color comes. By chance, browser not understanding your spelling, a black is comes by default. But the spellings problems available here. So red I don't want, sir. Blue required, sir. Yes, we change the color of H1. I'm writing one more H1, see that one. Personal styles meaning I'm showing. Another H1. Cascading style sheets. H1 close. Previous one H1, no, this one H1, both. But the second H1 color changing, sir? No chance. That is called as personal. So second H1, it comes in regular format to black. But I already defined the colors, sir. This color I defined only for this H1. For this H1. But I need this also, sir. All right, in style, color equals to blue. Now both comes in blue color. Both are comes in blue color. The one tag purpose diff styles, another tag application not possible in inline CS. Then only clearly mentions are personal. Personal means anybody they can use. No. Next, one more H1 I am taking, sir. Style equals to color green. Oh, okay. So color green. Data, sir. JavaScript. H1 close. The data displaying in the green color. Like that, every tag you can change the color as per your wish. Background color also we can change it, sir. We future will discuss it. Color only I'm focusing now. Background white available kada. White place you can place any other color, no problem. Just if you want to watch it, green undi kada. Background em తీసుకుందాం. If you want to change the background color of the tag, write background hyphen color. Change the background color. The default color white is there. The white replaces with orange. White replaces with orange. So tag background color orange, sir. Foreground color emo green, sir. Dull అయిపోయింది కదా green. I'll make the small change. Cyan. Your interest. Orange కి ఇంకే ఉంటుంది బాగుంటుంది. I'll do one small thing. Foreground color I take the orange. Background color I'll take the black. అంటే కలర్ కొద్దిగా ఎఫెక్టివ్లీ డిస్ప్లేయింగ్ రిక్వైర్డ్ సార్ అది బాగా ఎఫెక్టివ్లీ డిస్ప్లేయింగ్ దిస్ వన్. Color used to change the data color. Background color used to change the your data background color. Two colors, foreground color, background color. Data color, screen color, two available. But a screen color black, data color orange. Like that, how many tags you know up to now? More than 25 plus tags you know. At 25 plus tags you can apply these things. No objection, except the image tag. Image tag, if you apply also, it doesn't affect, sir. Image foreground color, background color is not available. They have their own colors already. So except the image tag, rest of any tag you can apply this. No objections. But all tags showing myself not possible. One or two tags I am showing. This information conveying to other tags is your duty. So just for idea, I'm writing one more tag, sir. Because if I stop here, I given theoretical information, but still somebody thinking, sir, all you applied in H1 only, sir. H2 not supported. Only question comes. I just given information theoretically now. Listening problem available, kada? Network problem available. Choose any one tag, paragraph. Paragraph, I think we have the huge amount of text, kada? This is paragraph, sir. The paragraph color I am going to changing once again. Take the style equals to color yellow, background color blue, Background color blue, foreground color yellow. Blue and yellow good combination అది. మన ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ స్టాండర్డ్ కలర్ అది, బ్లూ అండ్ ఎల్లో రెడ్. ఇఫ్ యు సీ ద పోస్టర్స్, బ్యానర్స్, బ్లూ రెడ్ ఎల్లో maximum. So this is, sir, a small doubt here. Third tag only single line color changing. Fourth tag so many lines color changing. Reason, sir? So the moral of the story, color changing. How much area color displaying means how much area your tag is occupied. How much area your tag occupied, that much of area color impact is available. H1 tag occupying generally single line. So single line color change. Paragraph occupies more than one line will get it. I think we have some inline tags. These all are the block level tags. Paragraph is block level tag. H1 is also block level. We have inline tags also. No? Sorry. Inline tags, sir. Image tag is inline. Anchor tag is also inline tag. The inline CSS, like that inline tags also available. Side by side it will come. If you apply the same color to inline tags, that much of area it is not changing. How much area data is available, that area only color changing. Last week we discussed the inline tag and block level tags. Not remember? Block level tags occupies the full line. Block level tags displaying the data always in the fresh line. Inline tags displaying the data always side by side. And how much space occupies, sir? How much content available? That much of space only. We already discussed all these points. Go in there. There are so many. Discussed. Reactions coming. And a concentration not available in explanations. That reactions comes, sir. I'm taking label tag. What is, sir? Enter username. Label close. Label is also by default black and white color only. So that I'm changing to color. Which color? Red. Background color? Blue. Background color blue. Close it. Username total 8 letters. 8 letters only color changing. Not entire line, just 8 letters only color changing. A last line, observe that one. So block level tags to inline tags, the difference is this one. The JavaScript, see, full line color changed because of block level. But here username, what happening, sir? Only some part of only changed, sir, because of block level effect. Every block level nature like this only. Every inline, every block level nature is this one, and every inline tag nature is this one. Tag occupation area is main important. A tag occupation area, if you know, sir, how much area color is comes, you can easily identify. That if you want to know it, first you should know what is the block level and what is the inline. That no idea, no, sir. This identification is not possible. So this program is fully demonstrating the inline CSS. Personal styles. But I need common styles, sir. 3 H1 tags, 3 times I defined the colors. Red. Instead of that, I need shortcuts, sir. Go for internal CSS. Inline CSS, personal style. Internal CSS, common styles. But you can see the top of the program. The both I want to display in red color. 2 times you designed the code together. Luckily 2 headings. I had 20 headings total, sir. 20 red color only I required, sir. But 20 times you have to use the style color red. Compulsory. If you know only inline CSS, that is the only option. 20 times writing time waste, sir. Then shift to second model, internal CSS. Tomorrow we'll discuss that one. Thank you all.